services in the aluminum castings industry. At the heart of our company is the V process, in which extremely fine sand is vacuum packed around two pattern halves. The pattern is removed, aluminum is poured into the cavity, then the vacuum is released and the casting is removed. The V process results in a finer surface finish with castings shaped to tighter and more consistent tolerances, giving our customers an extremely high quality casting at comparable or even lower costs. Our facilities are home to state-of-the-art computer-controlled equipment run by our manufacturing experts and engineers. Our facilities and manufacturing processes are structured at the highest standards, and we maintain ongoing training programs that foster excellence and state-of-the-art capabilities for all of our employees. Additional services include CNC machining, finishing, and sub-assembly, as well as CAD/CAM systems to receive, integrate, and generate numerically controlled programs. This ensures rapid and accurate patterns and component machining. Let's take a look at the V process. The pattern is placed on a hollow carrier plate. The sheet of plastic film between 0.003 and 0.008 of an inch is heated for pliability. The plastic film has excellent elasticity and a high deformation ratio. The softened film drapes over the pattern with 15 inches of mercury vacuum acting through the pattern vents to draw it tightly around the pattern. The plastic film is now shrink wrapped around the pattern. The flask is then placed on a film-covered pattern. The flask walls also function as a vacuum chamber. The flask is filled with an extremely fine, unbonded sand that is packed around the pattern. A slight vibration compacts the sand to maximum bulk density. Vacuum is released from the carrier and replaced by pressurized air to assist in stripping the mold. Vacuum is then applied to the flask and the sand is hardened by atmospheric pressure. The drag half of the mold is now placed on the index line. The cope half of the mold is then placed over the drag half, completing the mold. The mold proceeds down the line to the flask press to control parting line tolerances. Aluminum is poured into the mold utilizing a robot. The mold is held under vacuum to retain its shape. After the mold cools, the vacuum is released. Then the sand and completed castings fall free. The benefits of aluminum casting using the V process are 0-degree draft, which reduces weight and machining, thin walls, tight tolerances, producing castings twice as accurate as typical sand casting, unlimited pattern life, guaranteeing that the pattern will last the life of your product, and 150 RMS finish. The V process offers excellent casting integrity. With our automated molding line, the casting dimensions are repeatable. Our services are supported by our highly skilled employees and are the cutting edge of aluminum casting technologies. We look forward to serving the unique challenges of your casting needs.